Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna go in great detail and talk about the 5 best ways to make money from home in 2023. There are very few things more exciting than being able to crack the code of being able to earn money online, guys. Whether you're running an online store on your own website or trying to grow your online brand to sell products or services, learning how to make money from home can transform your business and your life. In this video, we're gonna cover the 5 ways that you can start making money online from your home, including dozens of money making ideas virtually that anyone can try. And the first one, without a doubt, is selling custom products on Shopify. Now, product development isn't an easy route to making money, but it's often the most rewarding, and it may not be as hard as you expect, guys. Making custom product is popular among jewelry brands, fashion brands, and home decor brands, yet it expands through virtually any industry where you can make things from scratch. It could be apparel or clothing, home decors, health and beauty, arts and entertainment, and even food and beverages. Evaluating market demand and following the trend is a great place to start when finding popular things to make and sell. And once you have a product, you'll want to start your business and set up a Shopify store with a free trial. And just like that, you're ready to start selling from the comfort of your home. The second one is create a print-on-demand business. Now, print-on-demand refers to working with suppliers to customize white label products with your own designs and selling them under your own brand. Businesses can create products like hats, t-shirts, bags, and so much more. And the best part, you might be thinking, you don't have to pay for any of the products until and after you make a sale. And the print-on-demand business is one of the most straightforward ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. And when you work with a print-on-demand company, everything from printing the item to shipping is handled by the supplier. And once you set up an online store with your designs, it takes a few minutes to fulfill an order after the customer checks out. Creating a print-on-demand business is a great way to make money online. You can create products fast and you don't have to worry about shipping, and the risk is very low with low investments. It's an easy to add new products to your store and test ideas since you don't hold any inventory, and your upfront business costs are minimal because you only need an online store to start. A print-on-demand business always gives creators many opportunities to connect with fans through nice products, especially products sought out for their aesthetic design. And that is the reason why we have put it on number 2 on our list. And number 3, we have make a subscription box. A subscription business provides customers with products on a recurring basis. The subscription e-commerce market is expected to reach $478 billion by 2025, with more customers taking advantage of it each year. Research from McKinsey found that 15% of the US consumers have signed up for one or more subscription to receive products regularly. The benefits of creating a subscription box are predictable revenues, more cash on hand, and lower customer acquisitional costs. And running a subscription business from home is a proven winner, guys. Our research shows that 63% of founders who sold subscriptions were satisfied with business performances compared to 55% of founders who did not sell subscriptions. So guys, this is definitely the one to look out for and to include to make money from the comfort of your home. On number 4, we have sell products on online marketplaces, but beware, guys, selling sites can be a great launchpad for many businesses, but the current marketplaces come with a bargain. You get access to customers if you build your business on someone else's land, their rules, and they'll change them at any time. Now, popular marketplaces include Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Handshake, Facebook Marketplace as well. Now guys, you'll want to diversify your business by building your own sites, and you don't have to choose one or the other. The big advantage is that the profit is yours, and there's no fee to pay on sales, and there's no rules to abide by but your own. At number 5, we have sell digital goods. Now, digital goods are intangible assets or pieces of media that can be sold repeatedly online, which I personally love, guys. They come in the form of streamable or downloadable files such as PDFs, plugins, and templates. And guys, if you're passionate about music and have experience teaching it, you can teach lessons online through your own courses. And there's so many amazing ways that you can digitalize your skills by going on Fiverr or even Freelancer. If you know voiceover or digital marketing, then this is definitely the product for you. Digital assets are becoming more popular because they have high profit margins. Sure guys, it may take some time and money to develop them, but once the media or software is made, it's not expensive to store or deliver to customers. And that is the reason I always recommend individuals to learn new skills. Head over to Udemy or Coursera and give that a try as well, because once you learn a course, no one can take it from you, and you can start monetizing that skill and start selling digital products and services. There is no limit to how many products or services that you sell. Digital products and services help creators scale themselves by using their expertise to create kits, printables, files, and other asset professionals can benefit from. As your online portfolio of digital products and services grows, you'll naturally be in a better position to make more money from your online store yourself. The UX Kit sells workflows and user personas, flowcharts, and other products to assist design processes. It is worth checking out UX Kits, guys, and even more. Check out Fiverr, check out Freelancer, and check out Upwork, because these are the 3 places that you can easily scale yourself and become financially independent. At the end of the day, guys, we live in a digital world right now, and it's crucial for us to start multiple passive income streams to become financially independent and break away from the 9 to 5 and be able to have our own finances in our hand and in our control. And it's for that reason we need to understand how to harness all these amazing tools which are available online, which are opportunities for us to take, and an opportunity of a lifetime to become financially independent. If you like the video, guys, do let us know in the comment section below. And if you feel that we should add another element to our list, do comment in the comment section below. We will definitely include it in our upcoming videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can benefit from it. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.